Okay, so this video is going to be to explain the puzzle for improper fraction and mixed numbers. So I went ahead and I cut out all of my rectangles, and then I cut along the middle line to have all of these different puzzle pieces. So what I suggest you doing is you just kind of lay them out. You can turn them facing up or facing down, depending on if you're able just to not look at them while you're working through it. So I'm going to just leave mine up, and I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to choose a piece, and this one is 21/2. So when your top number, your numerator, is larger than your bottom number or your denominator, you have an improper fraction. Improper fraction. And we want to turn this into a mixed number. All that says whenever you have a mixed number is you have a whole number and a fraction. Okay? So remember, the way that we do this is I've taught y'all that this right here means to divide. Your fraction bar means to divide. So this means 21 divided by 2. So you're going to set up that problem. 21 divided by 2, and just divide. How many times can 2 go into 2? Once. 2 times 2 is 2. We're going to subtract. 0 is less than 2, so we're going to bring down our 1. Can 2 go into 1? No. You have to say that. You can't just keep going. You have to document that it goes into there 0 times. 2 times 0 is 0. We've brought all of our numbers down, and we have a remainder. Remember, when we have a remainder and we're working with fractions, this is now our numerator, and our divisor is our denominator. So we have 10 and a half, 10 and 1/2. So 21/2 is the same as 10 and 1/2, okay? So now I'm going to go through my puzzle pieces, and I'm going to find 10 and a half. And this is self-checking, so you should see that they match, and you are correct, okay? So now I'm going to do one from a mixed number to an improper fraction. So I grabbed this mixed number, 1 4/5. This is called a mixed number. It has a fraction and a whole number, okay? 1 4/5, and I want to turn it into an improper fraction. Some reasons or some situations where you may need to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction is when you're subtracting mixed numbers, when you are multiplying or dividing mixed numbers. Those are reasons why you may need to turn a fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, so the way that we do this, you have 1 4/5. We are going to take our denominator and multiply it by our whole number. 5 times 1 is 5, and then you're going to add your numerator. So 5 plus 4 is 9, and your denominator is going to stay the same. So your improper fraction is 9/5. Okay? So now you're going to go look for the match. Here it is right here. 9/5 is the improper fraction. And here's your mixed number. And they go together. So it's self-correcting. Okay? So if you need any help on turning improper to mixed or mixed to improper, let me know, and I can come up with some more activities, or we can do one-on-one chatting to just do some quick lessons on that, okay?